we will go for electromobility. And for that, we have the important products on board to get the cars in the most efficient way for that green planet. Every small contribution counts. Bosch has more opportunities than ever before. It's neither the question if the glass is half full or half empty. The question is how to get it filled. Our biggest challenge is to develop the best-in-class electrical powertrain in terms of weight, in terms of efficiency, and in terms of sustainability. When I have to explain what an eAxle is, it's simply the replacement of the powertrain of a normal internal combustion engine-driven car. We are constantly working on optimization of different KPIs. Very important is the efficiency. The peak performance nowadays is still very important. The size, the volume of the whole unit. And now, why do we do that? Less weight means less costs. Second, and this is good for the environment, if you have less weight, you have less CO2 emissions. And last but not least, we want to replace the current rare earth magnets in the e-machine. My dream would be that Bosch, for all their application, produce these green drives on their own, because we do it in a very good way. We want to provide mobility systems which are for, let's say, everybody, in every country, in every continent, in every region, hot or cold conditions. Bosch can help as system supplier that this electrified mobility stays or becomes affordable, sustainable and comfortable. It's important that it goes into products, systems which helps the people improving their life. I'm Uli Sailer. I'm the responsible for the strategic portfolio Electrified Mobility and Systems. There is no better saying for that, getting the right individual mobility in the future as invented for life.